He wants to help. Okay. Okay, we have a guest. To your show, we have a guest, a surprise guest. You know who it is? Yes. It's your good old friend Polly. See, introduce Polly to everyone. Yay, that's Polly. Polly is Neil's best friend. Yes, and Polly's got a chair. Wow. So Polly's going to be with you today for the entire show. Wow. Welcome, Polly.
Welcome, Polly.
And Polly's excited. You're excited too? Yes, yes, yes. Even I am super excited as always. And today we are going to do a special show on animals and the sounds that they make. What animal is this?
This is dog.
Dog. What sound does a dog make?
Wolf.
That's right. Okay, let's keep the dog. What animal is this?
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. All right.
Chimpanzee climbing on the tree.
Tree, yes. And what sound does a chimpanzee make? And chimpanzees are very naughty. Yes. Now we have another animal. It's your favorite animal.
Golden horse.
That's a white horse. Yes. And
They're mighty.
yes, they are mighty beautiful horses. What sound does a white horse make? That's right, that's right. What animal is this?
Donkey.
Yes. What sound does a donkey make? Oh no! No. That's a horse. What sound does a donkey make? Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.
Yeah.
That's right, that's right. And now we have one of your favorite animals.
Ooh.
What?
It is
What's the name of that animal?
snail.
Yes. And what sound does it make?
Ha-ha.
That's right, that's right. That's how seals make sound. They clap their flaps and make that sound. Very good. And now we have a big animal coming. What's the name of this animal? Buffalo, that's right.
They're mighty.
They are mighty big and they are mighty strong. And what sound does a buffalo make? Yes.
Hunt a lion.
Yes, especially when a lion hunts, it makes that noise. Okay. Let's get moving.
One.
A big animal coming now.
Hippopotamus.
Yes, that's a hippo. What sound does a hippo make? Yes. Very good, very good. That's a hippo.
In the water.
Yes, they live in the water. That's right.
Are you hungry?
Yes, they are also very, very hungry animals.
It's still bite.
Yes, if somebody goes into the water, it bites. Well said.
Fish.
It doesn't eat fish. It eats lots of grass.
Horse.
Yes. What animal is this?
Lion.
Yeah, what kind of lion is that?
White.
Yes, that's a white lion.
Jump.
Yes, it jumps.
Max jump.
Yes. What animal is this?
Ooh.
Wolf.
And then
What sound does it make? Yes, that's how a wolf makes a big sound.
big sound.
Yes. What animal is coming now?
It's a lion.
Yes, that's a lioness.
Lioness.
Yeah. What sound does a lioness make?
Roar.
Yes, it's a roar.
Jump.
Yes, it jumps and it will hunt the animals.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's count how many animals do we have. Let's count.
One,
Mm-hmm.
two,
Mm-hmm.
three,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Okay.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7,
Mm-hmm.
8,
Mm-hmm.
9, 10.
Yay!
And animal.
Well done, well done. Can you name all the animals now?
Dog,
Hmm.
chimpanzee,
Okay.
white horse,
Okay.
donkey,
Okay.
seal,
Okay.
buffalo,
Okay.
hippo,
Okay.
hippopotamus, lion, wolf, lion.
Yay! Well done, well done. That was nice. We have 10 animals, and today we learnt about the sounds that the animals make, right? And thank you, Nee. What is Polly doing?
It's not helping.
Is helping the buffalo. Huh?
Yeah.
But Polly is too small for that.
Oh.
Yeah. I think Polly is what is Polly telling you now?
It's helping.
He wants to help. Okay. Let him help a smaller animal. Oh, Polly is helping a dog now.
It fell.
Yeah, it fell down. All right.
I can't.
Oh my God. Okay.
Polly, here you go.
Here you go, Polly.
Bingo.
Here you go, Polly. Oh, so silly and so funny Polly is.
What's Bingo doing?
Bingo is also playing with Polly.
It's eating.
Okay, now say some good things to Polly. Oh. Always wash your hands.
Oh, let's wash your hands.
Yes. How do you wash your hands? Yes. And again, you turn this side. Yes. And then again, you turn this side.
Like this.
Yes. So that's how you need to wash your hands every time.
Wait, what's this? It's still tapping.
Always wash your hands.
Always wash your hands.
Bye.
Bye.